It's challenging, of course, but then namagano. I have the whole team. We have Ishi, who can really step up, and yeah, we just didn't dwell on that. I think the only way to improve is to accept the challenges. So we just accepted the challenges that we were faced, and no pressure, because we trained for this. Everyone trained for this, so it's the same teamwork.
Pwede namin makontrol is yung pwede namin maibigay dun sa player kung paano para mas ma-maximize namin yung talent and skills niya. Kasi kung ano yung binibigay ko sa isa, pare-parehas lang. That's why siguro kung mayroong konting adjustment or like big changes sa team, I think hindi nawawala yung iba or hindi naliligaw kasi same lang yung system na binibigay namin. Siguro it's about dun sa na lang, sa players kung gaano siya ka-aggressive or gaano siya katapang para i-embrace yung challenge. So, ayun, and then good thing kasi dun sa mga natira din, happy ako and proud for them kasi talaga, yun gusto lang nilang i-enjoy yung meron sila and opportunity na makapaglaro din. So,
kasi ako more of, siguro I just give my best, siguro. Lagi, ano yung kailangan gawin, and sobrang minimal naman actually yung ginagawa ko as talagang yung pagsabi lang ng reminders, ganyan. Kasi everyone naman themselves is a leader. So, hindi masyadong grabe yung role. So, yun. Actually, ngayon, ang maganda sa team is lahat kami may responsibilities. It's a shared leadership. So, hindi rin ako na-overwhelmed na ako yung biglang din.